Fit test exercises required under OSHA 29 CFR 1910.134, Appendix A. Before we begin the fit test exercises, there are a few important requirements. The respirator must be worn for at least 5 minutes before the start of the fit test. The test subject must perform a user seal check, both positive and negative pressure, before exercises begin. There must be no facial hair crossing the respirator sealing surface, and the test subject must wear all safety equipment they would normally use on the job. There are 8 standard test exercises. Each exercise lasts 1 minute, except for the Grimace, which lasts only 15 seconds. One critical rule: the respirator must not be adjusted once the exercises begin. Any adjustment voids the test, and the entire fit test must be repeated from the beginning. Exercise 1. Normal breathing. In a normal standing position without talking, breathe normally. Do not alter your breathing pattern. Simply stand still and breathe as you normally would. Duration: 1 minute. Exercise 2. Deep breathing. In a normal standing position, breathe slowly and deeply. Take caution so as not to hyperventilate. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. Duration: 1 minute. Exercise 3. Turning head side to side. Standing in place, slowly turn your head from side to side between the extreme positions on each side. Hold your head at each extreme position momentarily so you can inhale at each side. Turn slowly to the right, pause and inhale, then turn slowly to the left, pause and inhale. Continue this motion for the full minute, duration 1 minute. Exercise 4. Moving head up and down. Standing in place, slowly move your head up and down. You shall inhale in the up position, that is, when looking toward the ceiling. Look up slowly, inhale, then look down slowly. Continue this motion for the full minute. Duration 1 minute. Exercise 5. Talking. Talk out loud, slowly and loud enough so as to be heard clearly by the test conductor. You may read from the Rainbow Passage, count backward from 100, or recite a memorized poem or song. The Rainbow Passage reads, "When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act like a prism and form a rainbow." The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its 2 ends apparently beyond the horizon. There is, according to legend, a boiling pot of gold at one end. People look, but no one ever finds it. When a man looks for something beyond reach, his friends say he is looking for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Duration 1 minute. Exercise 6. Grimace. The test subject shall grimace by smiling broadly or frowning deeply. Important: this exercise applies only to quantitative fit testing. It is not performed for qualitative fit testing. Duration: 15 seconds only. Exercise 7. Bending over. The test subject shall bend at the waist as if touching their toes. If the test environment does not permit bending over at the waist, such as in a shroud-type quantitative fit test unit, jogging in place shall be substituted. Duration: 1 minute. Exercise 8. Normal breathing. This is the same as Exercise 1. In a normal standing position without talking, breathe normally. Duration: 1 minute. That completes the 8 standard fit test exercises. Upon completion of the protocol, the test conductor shall ask the test subject about the comfort of the respirator. If the respirator has become unacceptable, another model shall be tried. Remember, fit testing must be performed at least once a year for every respirator user, and records of all fit tests must be maintained by the employer. This training is based on the federal OSHA standard 29 CFR 1910.134, Appendix A, Fit Testing Procedures Mandatory.